In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumloop for SEO optimization. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple flow, craft a strong SEO prompt, and guide Gumloop to produce optimized content that's ready to publish. First, open Gumloop in your browser and head to the Flows area. This is where all your automations live. Once you're on that page, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar that helps you navigate different parts of the platform. Find the section labeled Workflows and click it. This takes you to a dashboard where you can manage, run, and create automated sequences for your SEO tasks. Next, click Create Workflow. You're starting a fresh flow, so give it a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, like Blog SEO Optimization or Product Page SEO. A good name helps you stay organized when you're running multiple projects. Now it's time to generate a prompt for your SEO. Think of the prompt as your creative brief for the AI. The more precise you are, the better the output. Specify your primary keyword and the content type you want, such as a blog post, product page, or landing page. Add context about your target audience and search intent. Are readers researching, comparing options, or ready to buy? Indicate the desired tone, word count range, and any brand voice notes. If you have secondary keywords, mention them, and ask for a clean structure with clear headings, a compelling introduction, and a concise conclusion. You can also request on-page elements like a suggested title tag, meta description, and an outline with H2s and H3s to keep everything skimmable. After you submit the prompt, give Gumloop a moment to process. It may ask follow-up questions to fill in gaps, things like your geographic focus, preferred reading level, or any must-include points. Answer those questions directly and briefly. The goal is to remove ambiguity so the system can fully optimize your content. If you're unsure of an answer, provide your best estimate and note any constraints, such as industry compliance or brand guidelines. When the draft appears, review it with SEO in mind. Check that the primary keyword shows up naturally in the title, early in the introduction, and in a few headings without stuffing. Make sure the outline flows logically, paragraphs are concise, and transitions are clear. Confirm that the suggested meta title and description fit typical character limits and highlight the page's unique value. If anything feels off, refine your prompt with specific instructions and run it again. That's it, your streamlined Gumloop workflow for SEO optimization, from setup to polished output.